Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to log hours, time, or work details in Jira. All right, let's begin. First, open the Jira issue or task you want to update. At the top right corner, click on the three dots icon. From the drop-down menu, select Log Work. Here, you can enter details about your work. Start with the time spent field. Use the HMD format. For example, 3 hours, 30 minutes would be written as 3/8 30 matter. This keeps everything consistent across tasks. Next, you can add time remaining if needed. This helps your team see how much work is left on that task. After that, enter the date started to show when the work was done. This adds clarity to your project timeline. You'll also see a work description field. While optional, it's useful for adding notes about what you completed. This helps team members understand your progress. Finally, click Save to record your work. So that's basically how you can log hours, time, or work details in Jira. That's it for this video. Thanks.